Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your personal information and customize your profile on the account settings section on the Nooka Space application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then tap on the last icon down below. Tap on the account settings section, and here at this page you can type in your first and last name as well as your email address. If you want to change your password, you should click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So now an email has been sent to your email address successfully. Check your inbox and then you will be able to change your password on the Nooka Space application. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.